may nakilala ko.
Okay.
And tong nakilala kong to, sobrang amazing niya. Sobra. Do we have a future together? Is there's a chance na siya na yung girl for me?
Okay. Bili ka ng tig-isang card sa bawat pile.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nakarapul sa akin.
Actually, same pa rin naman kasi upright nga tayo. Okay. 8 of coins.
Tell me it's a good thing. Parang hindi.
The Hanged Man. It is. Okay. 5 of swords.
Damn. Mukhang hindi maganda yung reaction mo, ah.
Hindi, actually yung 8 of coins, maganda siya cause this is you, this is her.
Oh, may anak kami. Nice one. Ay, joke lang.
Agad-agad, no? Pero, natatakot ka ba? Like,
Yes.
na i-level up to sa
Yes.
kanya, hindi dahil feeling mong you're not worthy, but because maybe ma-reject ka.
Yes.
Or parang she's so up there.
Yes.
With this one. I got here 8 of coins. Sa totoo lang, there's a good chance for the two of you. There's a good chance. Kailangan mo siyang akyatin.
Umakyat ka doon, literal.
Kailangan mo, look at that, like literal. Kailangan mo siyang akyatin. Kailangan mo mag-exert ng effort for this. And you have to believe in yourself. I got here the Hanged Man. Why are you so stuck? If you want something, i-apply mo yung pagiging Knight of Swords mo kanina sa nakuha natin. And of course, time is running out. But with the Hanged Man in upright position, I can see here na during this time, na binibigyan mo yung, or parang nilelesen mo yung pressure na nafe-feel mo right now. Or parang baka kino-conceal mo lang yung pressure. You are learning a lot of things. You are preparing yourself for this. However, yes, there's a good chance. There's a good chance. Pero yun nga, hindi...
Sabihin nyo na.
Wag mo na yung sugarcoat, Lance.
Kasi
Masakit mas okay.
ano siya, well, nakadepende pa rin naman to. Kung paano kayo magdi-deal dun sa mga magiging problema. But this connection will be tested. And by the way, kung right now, it's just, calm lang yung waters for the two of you, mas magle-level up pa yan.
Okay.
Yun nga lang, challenge ka. At may problema talaga.
Ang galing.
Maaring ganito na lang.
Pwede mo maiyak dito. Charot!
Pwede.
May problema. Pero nasa inyo kung paano yung i-rebuild.
Okay.
Yun.
In terms of career,
Okay, there's a career.
Baby Toby. Paano yung magiging karera ni Baby Toby? Good thing, bad thing. This year, sa karera.
Oops.
Pag may nahulog, ano yung sabihin nun?
Gusto mo umat yan.
Ano yan?
5 of coins, kagaya nung nakuha natin kanina. Ito yung card, kung naalala mo, na sinabi ko sa'yo, na what are you willing to do? Paulit-ulit lang siyang lumalabas sa'yo.
So ano, kaya kong gawin?
You have to exert an effort. And by the way, kung paano mo nakikilala yung sarili mo, yung capabilities mo right now, hilaw pa yan sa kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. Kung gaano kalaki yung kaya mong ma-achieve for this year. Don't limit yourself doon sa loob ng cocoon. 'Di ba? You have to process your thoughts and recognize your capabilities. Pero, kukuha ka ng dalawa.
Kuha ng dalawa.
Wow.
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 Mamamatay ako?
Hindi naman. Kagaya ng pinag-usapan natin kanina, it's a metamorphic process.
Okay.
At pag nasa loob ka ng... Sorry kung gumagamit ako ng mga ganitong terms, no? Pero pag nasa loob ka ng cocoon, yung lumang sarili mo, namamatay. Kailangan mong akayin yung... Meron ka pang nandyan sa loob mo na alam mong kailangan na siyang... kailangan na magbago. kailangan na mag-improve. Akayin mo yung yung dati mong sarili sa huling hantungan yan. Tapos, mag-ano ka na, di ba? Accept transformation, accept positive change in your life. When it comes to career, king of coins, a lot of money. A lot of opportunities.
Yayaman ako.
Ito ang pinakamayaman na king sa lahat ng baraha sa bawat deck. Now, I got here 5 of coins. Connect natin. What are you willing to do para maabot mo to? Kasi this is just an idea. It's just a card in front of you. Now, paano mo itatransform yung sarili mo into the king of coins? This is the 5 of coins. That's the question for you.
Okay, salamat.
Okay, salamat.
Business.
For business. Sige, ikaw na pumili ng 3 cards. Four of Cups ulit. What are the odds? 5 of Swords, 4 of Swords. Business for this year, I don't think na madadagdagan siya. At babalik tayo dun sa 4 of Cups. Ito yung nakuha mo kanina at ito rin yung nakuha mo ngayon sa dinami-dami ng mga cards. Paulit-ulit na siya sinasabi ng universe sa'yo. You want the business, you've got all the years sa mga susunod na mga taon. Pero this year, focus on what you have right now. Maybe do something para mas ma-improve yun. Kasi rooted yan with, so much pressure. Maybe you're trying to prove something for yourself, or trying to prove something for other people, or maybe to survive something that you're having right now. Pero, 4 of Cups is pahinga. Kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin ito yung void, the void. So if you look at the whole universe, there is this space, may black hole. Kasi yung hole na yan, you're not sure about what's gonna happen there, what's going on there, but the pressure, it's too much. Connect mo siya sa life mo. There will be a time sa life mo wherein yung pressure, it's too much, at wala kang ibang choice kung hindi gawin siyang void. Make it like a hole na at least meron kang avenue for growth and also to replenish yung energy mo. So ayan, 4 of Swords is kung ano yung nasimulan mo na, make certain improvements doon. At saka yun din yung 5 of Swords. So if you're going to start something new, baka mag-crash lang din siya pagka together with your kung ano man yung state ng well-being mo. So just focus on yourself. Please take care of yourself and let other people take care of you as well. You're not alone. Ayun. Noted po.
Noted po.
Noted po.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ito individual na ba to?
Oo.
Sige.
Okay, individual na
Ay,
reading
saya.
for 2024.
Oo. Na-excite ako.
Siya muna.
Okay, Page of Cups, The Lovers.
Oy! Sabi ko na
Nakarinig ng love, ha?
Okay, pagdating sa love life, itong year na to, it's going to be good. It's going to be, about partnership. About
Ganda.
developing relationship. So if you're already in a relationship, I think that you are actually going to develop.
Wala akong karelasyon.
If
Single
you're,
ako.
if
Kaya
you're
pwede
single,
tayo.
then I can see.
Alis na lang ba ako dito? Eh, sabi ko solo-solo na lang eh. Ganito yung mangyayari.
So, yung The Lovers, nakikita ko dito na kung paano ka makitungo. Actually,
Be, nagmukha akong waitress sa inyong dalawa. May juice, no?
ang
Bakit kinikilig ako sa'yo?
Hoy!
Page of Cups, kasi ito, you're willing to invest for this, for a connection, like emotional investment, time as well. No? Maaaring baka yun yung mga nagkulang sa mga recent years. Yung baka mayroon ngang possible na person na nag-grow, pero wala namang alam mo yun, wala yung mga ibang love languages na hinahanap mo. And this time, you're going to find someone with the 6 of Cups. I can see.
I already found it.
No, for this year, developing a strong relationship.
Depende naman sa'yo yun. O, ikaw na.
The richest knight.
Ay.
I got force or strength.
Ay, yan, sa laki ba naman niya? Ewan ko ba naman?
Sa lakas niya.
And nakikita ko dito yung strength, it has something to do with confidence.
Wow!
Being more, showy of what you're capable of.
Oo nga.
And
Capable.
Oo.
the Hermit is all about nurturing.
Ano yun?
Nakikita ko dito yung what's on the inside, it's actually very good. And as much as possible, no, ang advice dito is always allow yourself to be vulnerable or to give you kaysa yung ka. Like, kasi that's what the Hermit is all about eh. Allow yourself to ma-process mo yung thoughts mo. Kailangan mo siyang i-internalize bago mo mailabas yung mga bagay.
So dapat hindi pa dalos-dalos.
Oo. Pero, wag kang matakot maging vulnerable. Kaya nga sabi ko pagpag niyo yung energy.
Oo. Wasiwas mo gano'n. Ganon. Yun.
And the Knight of Coins, in terms of finances, walang problema.
O, yung Torre Mar, sinasabi
Sa
ko
mga
na
susunod
eh.
na buwan, lalo na, wala pa tayo sa King of Coins moment, pero it's the Knight. So you're creating it. You're gonna create money for this year.
Doray, pautangin mo ko.
Oo naman.
Ayan.
Sino mo mag-uutangan?
Tungkol sa health.
Okay, health. Kuha ka ng tatlong cards. You are investing more recently. Mas nag-invest ka sa sarili mo. Hindi to arte. Like, kailangan talaga siya for the continuation ng you as a living being.
Yeah.
Dami yung Shopee.
Yes.
Di ba?
Wala ako nakikitang problem na malala when it comes to health. Siyempre, di ba, may sa isang buong taon, imposible namang hindi ka magkakasakit. Pero, 9 of Coins, this is all about goodness when it comes to physical health. Knight of Cups is yung emotions. Ito, emotionally, mas magiging stable ka as time goes by. And it's something that you have to work on. And Knight of Coins, ito nga yung investment. Dito pumapasok yung Knight of Coins.
Ang dami nyo na ito yung plan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Invest for what makes you happy and then you'll be healthy.
Ang galing, ang galing. Ang galing talaga. Alam mo, simula kanina, tama yung mga ano mo.
Ang galing niya, no?
Oo. Yung pinag-usapan lang natin, no?
Ito sa akin.
Ang galing.
Sige.
Hindi, yung sa akin siguro. Kasi naging challenging sa amin mag-asawa last year yung buhay. So, medyo hindi ganun kaswerte yung mga dating na maraming bayarin, daming utang. So, etong taong bang 2024, ano magiging namin, buhay namin yun?
Pagdating sa finances.
Yes.
Wow. The World, wow. 6 of Wands. Lahat ng card na to, it talks about victory to me. Ace of Swords is victory. Sobrang, yun na yun. Self-explanatory. Pero itong 6 of Wands, this is all about completion kasi siya. Kumbaga, kung ano yung mga pinaplano mo, matatapos mo talaga siya ngayong taon na to. So, when it comes to finances, ngayon pa lang January, mag-set ka na, at wag mo nang anuhin yung sarili mo na, ay baka kasi ayoko mag-set ng masyadong malaking amount na goal ko ngayong taon na to. Gusto kong kitain.
Galing, no?
Kasi pagka masyadong ganun yung iniisip natin na, for example, this year, okay na ako na kumita ako ng 1 milyon. Gawin mo na siyang 10 million.
Ganun ang actually iniisip ko, na magkaroon ako ng ganun, okay na ako, ganun.
Yes. Kasi whatever it is na isiset mo sa unang bahagi ng taon,
Todo mo na.
there will be completion. That's the 6 of Wands. Now, I got here the world. Got everything naman na meron ka right now para magkaroon ng mag-materialize yung mga manifestations mo. So when it comes to money, kung ano yung sineset mo na boundaries sa kung ano yung kaya mong maabot, hanggang dun ka lang. So might as well, taasan mo na siya.
Okay. Galing.
So ayan.
Galing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Sige nga, pwede ba yun?
Are single ba?
Oo.
Yun na, last na lang. Ano yan?
The Lovers. May love interest for this year. Pero
Okay.
tignan natin kung ano yung mangyayari dito sa love interest na to.
Huwag mo na patayin.
Bakit naman?
Napaka-putrabido mo. Sabi na pag nasa energy ako, nagkaka-love life ako.
Wheel of Fortune.
Oh.
Uy!
Mayaman.
And... wow, the Empress. Caring.
Ito na.
Of course, may pera. Baka isa nga rin to sa nakakadagdag sa comfort. Kasi hindi, kumbaga meron kang
Maganda.
jowa pero hindi mo kailangang isipin kung asan ba tayo patungo. Kasi may sarili kang plano sa buhay mo. Hindi ko na kailangang intindihin ka pa ng malaliman.
Kailan ko ba makikilala yan? Hindi sana natin.
I got here the Lovers. The Lovers.
The Lovers.
So, yes, there's a love interest for this year.
Ay, congrats. Yan na yun. Yan na yun.
Kailan
Ang ganda naman ng mga cards.
Hindi ko na pa makakawalan to. Charot siya.
Insight mo sa negosyong bubuksan mo this year.
Let's consult the cards.
Parang nakakatakot pag sabi, let's consult the card. At kinutok na naman yung score.
Let's consult the cards. Gamble. Wait lang. So, this is something na...
Parang scary rin yung no. Parang...
I got here Wheel of Fortune, which is all about luck, abundance, money. But of course, may downside ang wheel. Umiikot-ikot to. Now, I got here 7 of Coins, which is all about gambling or maybe all about a risk. Or at least kung paano natin makikita yung pagtatayo nitong negosyo na to. This is a risk that you are willing to take. Because you got to hear the Wheel of Fortune and you know you are capable of doing it. And with the Empress in upright position, I can see here that there's actually a person who's going to help you with the Empress, having this divine feminine energy. And with the Empress card is...
Babae na tutulong sa akin.
Babaeng natutulong?
Hindi, babae yung tutulong sa akin.
Yeah, babae na possible na makatulong, no, sa pag-manage or dito sa business na ito. So, ayan. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. No? But, yes, okay siya since we got here the Wheel of Fortune in upright position.
So, it's not
Actually,
negative.
it's not negative naman.
Okay, good.
It's positive actually.
Ooh! Nagtutugma siya sa naunang general kanina. Ikaw naman.
Sige. Nasa tamang tao ba ako o nasa maling tao?
Okay. The Hermit, King of Cups. Ooh, 8 of Wands. Ang 8 of Wands kasi adventures, possibilities. So nakikita ko dito na ang daming tao na who likes you. Or parang ang daming tao na out there to itong taong to, ito ideal person ko to. Like ikaw yon para sa maraming tao. So dito sa 8 of Wands, nakikita ko na when it comes to like dating, like maaring wala ka namang ngayon, pero nakikita ko na kung paano ka gustong i-pursue ng maraming tao. So there's actually a pool of people na parang nakikita ka as someone who's, kagaya nga na nakita ko sa'yo kanina, di ba? Yung rap mo for this year, it's going to be, I did a lot of things. At successful ako ngayong taon na to. At hindi lang, syempre hindi lang naman yung sa pagiging maganda physically, but also kung ano yung nagagawa mo bilang isang tao, di ba? Yun yung nakikita ko na sa mga bawat pupuntahan mo rin, bawat mga lugar, nakikita ko na how attractive you are doon sa mata ng mga tao, because I got here King of Cups. There's this King of Cups. Yung King of Cups is the king of emotions, king of love. At the Hermit is, just to answer your question, kung nasa tamang tao ka. Like what I said, nandito ka sa mundong to, itong Eight of Wands.
Madami.
Napakaraming posibilidad. Pero nag-iisa lang yung King of Cups.
So, ano
And
yung
I got
sabihin?
here the Hermit. So, yes, kung sino man yung nasa isip mo, yun yung tamang tao para sa'yo. The Hermit is...
Si Lee Min Ho yun nasa isip mo.
Si Sung Jung
Buwan sa'yo.
Paano
Si
kaya to?
Lee Min Ho nga ba?
Paano kaya to?
Pwede pa ba ako magtanong?
Sige pa. Go.
Last na lang talaga.
Sige.
Ang tanong ko is, ang future ko ba ay nakalaan dito o para ako sa ibang bansa?
Nine. Swords, Four of Swords. Death. Okay,
Tanong kasi ng tanong eh.
Hindi pala ako magtatanong.
para ka dito.
Para ka dito.
Para ka dito. Kung trabaho at trabaho yung pag-uusapan.
Kung future.
Kung future, sabi ko nga may free will ka, pero
Para dito ako. Okay.
the cards, base sa cards. Pero may kapangyarihan ka para baguhin kung ano talaga yung nakakapat para sa'yo, na gusto mo. Listen to your heart. You are the whole universe experiencing itself.
Okay.
You are the whole universe experiencing itself. That's very profound. Anong kahulugan nun?
Ibig sabihin ito lahat negative na umalis ako, no?
Actually,
Di ba?
actually.
So, wag ako umalis. Pero bakasyon, okay lang.
Ha?
Wag bakasyon.
Bakasyon, okay lang.
Wag lang
Oo
yung
naman,
nag-ano.
pwede vacation.
Sige. Bayan? Okay. Sige. Thank you. Follow niyo po si Lance. Saan ka nila mapafollow?
On Instagram at YourAstroKido. And sa TikTok naman, AstroKido_.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you, Lance.
Thank you, Lance.
Scary. Scary pala.